Hello everyone, this is Jack Frost with a little update for Ethereum technicals and Solana. On the Ethereum daily chart, price has declined after finding resistance at 38.90, declining through resistance at 36.80, finding support at 3200, and currently moves overall sideways for the short term. Volume overall supports downwards movement for the very short term, with the strongest volume on these bearish candlesticks just here, though for the short to mid-term, volume is strongest on these bullish candlesticks and supports upwards movement for the mid-term. ADX increases with a bearish trend that is not extreme and not yet in danger of ending. This trend still has a ways to go before it may be in danger of ending. On balance volume previously breaking out of support. Currently it has no new range and gives no signal, though this recent upwards movement just here has fallen just short of prior support, which could offer resistance in the near future. RSI is neutral and has a ways to move either up or down before it may enter overbought or oversold, giving this trend room to move. Money flow in the same situation as RSI, currently neutral. Neither money flow nor RSI exhibit divergence at this time frame. And ATR overall declining for the mid to long term, though for the very short term it increases as price declines. On the Solana daily chart, this downwards movement is labeled primary wave 4, currently subdividing as a incomplete zigzag, currently within intermediate wave C. Within intermediate wave C, minor wave 3, and within that minute wave 3 move price lower with increasing range and momentum. Within minute wave 3, minuet wave 5 is now expected to move lower. Please be aware that the fifth wave ending a third wave 1 degree higher can end with either a selling climax or a blow off top. As this is in the context of a downwards trend, we expect the potential for a selling climax for the end of minuet wave 5 and minute wave 3. An Elliott channel is drawn around the minuet degree movements using Elliott's second technique from the end of minuet wave 2 to the end of minuet wave 4 with a copy on the end of minuet wave 3. This channel may provide support for the end of minuet wave 5 and minute wave 3, though with the aforementioned selling climax it may overshoot this channel. When it arrives, minor wave 4 cannot move into minor wave 1 price territory at 161.1862. And overall primary wave 4 expected to move price lower with a target calculated at 131.9692, the 0.618 Fibonacci ratio of primary wave 3. On the technical daily chart, price has declined after finding this last high here at resistance at 210. For the short term, consolidating with a resistance at 190 and support between 127 and 118. At this point, price has reacted to support at 127 and now moves up slightly. Volume for the very short term supports downwards movement with strongest volume on these bearish candlesticks just here. Though for the short to mid-term, strongest volume is on these bullish candlesticks, seeing volume support upwards movement for the mid-term. On balance volume declines currently with no new range and giving no signal. ADX now increases with a bearish trend that is almost reaching extreme as the ADX line crosses with the negative DX line. As this downwards trend continues, it is expected to reach extreme and potentially very extreme before it may be in danger of ending. RSI is neutral, having just increased, failed to enter oversold just here. Money flow is also neutral. Money flow has a ways to go before it may enter oversold, giving this trend room to move before that indicator enters oversold, and neither money flow nor RSI exhibit divergence at this time frame. ATR has overall declined with price, though at this point ATR begins to slowly increase as price continues to decline for the short term. That's all for me with your update for Ethereum and Solana. If you want the Ethereum Elliott Wave count, we provide that on pureelliottwave.com. You can sign up for that today using the link in the description below. Thank you, and I hope everyone has a good day.